Welcome, here I've got Oppo A54 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's stay here and focus on this button. When we slide down here, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. In the first place, on the settings we have the camera frame, so our aspect ratio. As you can see, the yellow color suggests us that now we are in 4:3 ratio. Let's move to 1:1. Now the background has changed to the square one, so this is how it works. Another slide down and let's move to the full one, so we can see the full camera frame, full aspect ratio. Let's slide once again and move to 16:9, and this is how it changes now. And when we slide once again, we can pick whatever we need. Now let me go back to 4:3, the original one. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.